you can really get consistently high record sales. Your super sales is not going to be a fluke. It's not going to be by luck or by chance. It's not just going to be a one-off affair. It is going to be a regular phenomena. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Siddharth Shah and I'm the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. Well, in Think and Grow Rich, there are these 13 steps to riches. And the 10th step is called as the mystery of sex transmutation. Well, Dr. Hill mentioned this 10th step as the mystery of sex transmutation. And in this video, I'm going to decode that mystery. And at the end, I'm going to show you how you can use this mystery of sex transmutation to become the king or the queen in sales and marketing. Your sales and marketing will go to the next level if you understand this mystery of sex transmutation, how to do this sex transmutation in your field. So watch this video till the end. So let's understand what's the meaning of the word transmutation. Transmutation means shifting thoughts of one nature and transmuting that one nature of thought to some other nature. So just like everything is energy in the universe, when you have a thought which is of one particular nature, when we transmute that thought to some other nature, that's what you mean by transmutation. And what do you mean by sex transmutation? So sex transmutation means where you have a thought process which is more of your physical expression of your sexual desire. And when you are able to convert that physical expression, not through your physical action, but transmuting that particular thought process, that energy into some other area, into some other industry, maybe in your field of work, that's where you are actually using sex transmutation. Now, how to use this sex transmutation? How do you transmute it and why it is so essential? So I'm going to give you some important insights why this particular topic is so important. So the emotion of sex is one of the most powerful emotions ever there. So, and sex is an urge. How many of you would want to master procrastination? I mean, you have done some programs, you have read some books, or maybe you just purchased some books or purchased some online programs, but done nothing about it. Well, if you really want to conquer that particular disease of procrastination, just type P for procrastination in the comment box, please. Just type right now if you want to conquer, because I'm going to link this concept of the procrastination habit, the disease which you have got, with the mystery of sex transmutation. So before I reveal that, type out P in the comment box, please. Now, I'm going to give you a simple insight. See, when you understand how to do sex transmutation, you can unlock the secret how to eliminate procrastination. Now let me explain to you. Be open-minded to this particular topic, because otherwise you will not get this particular secret. When you get that urge of sexual desire with your life partner, with your spouse or your better half, when you get that urge, well, you are unstoppable. Nothing is going to stop you. You are moving. Your body starts to move. So what Napoleon Hill says, that the emotion of sex is an irresistible force against which there can be no such opposition as an immovable body. When driven by this emotion, individuals become gifted with a superpower for action. So you immediately get into that action mode. Now, if you are open-minded and if you have understood what I'm trying to say, understand this. When you are using this urge of sex for your physical action, well, there is no stoppage for you. And when the same urge is transmuted in some other areas where you are procrastinating, maybe you are buying some programs and the videos are to be there, you have done nothing about it. Maybe you have taken some books to read and you only read the book but done nothing about it. Maybe there are some old pending things. Whichever area you are missing in action, if you are able to use this sex transmutation mystery, you can conquer procrastination. This is an amazing insight how you can really conquer the procrastination disease by transmuting your sexual urge to that particular area. Not just procrastination. If you understand how to use sex transmutation, you can develop the super habits. What are the super habits which you can develop? Persistence. You can be really persistent towards your goals. You can have that unwavering faith and courage. You can develop that strong willpower. You can have that real imagination. You can spark up your creative ability. All of these qualities which you are using in your sexual desire with your life partner, when you're able to transmute this particular urge towards your field of work, you can actually use it. Now, if you have an open mind and if you can connect these qualities with your sexual desire, you can understand the power what you will get once you really get to know how to use the mystery of sex transmutation. Now, every successful person gives credit to this creative imagination for outstanding success. There's one idea which a person gets and one idea changes entire thing. You see, ideas is the starting point of all achievement. And you can really start to get that $1 million idea by using this mystery of sex transmutation. Now, to use this power, this energy must be expressed and communicated. When you want to use this sexual transmutation, that energy has to be communicated, and it can be communicated in a variety of ways. So how to communicate this energy? This energy may be communicated to others in the following ways. Number one, a firm handshake. The touch of the hands indicates instantly the presence of charisma or the lack of it. I mean, your handshake, how is it? Is it firm? Are you having eye-to-eye contact? Well, this is not a body language video, but yes, your handshake could be one of the ways how you can express this particular sexual transmutation, your energy, your magnetism with your firm handshake. That's the first one. The second one is the tone of voice. The charisma is the factor with which the voice may be colored or made musical and charming. See how I'm using my voice, I'm coloring my tone of voice, going on a high pitch and bringing to a low pitch. And the way you use your voice, the tonality of voice can really make you to transmute that personal magnetism with your clients, with your customers. So that's the second one. The third one is your posture and your carriage of the body. People with charisma move briskly and with grace and ease. So that's the third way how you can communicate your personal magnetism. And the fourth one is the vibrations of thought. People with charisma project sexual expression through their personality in a way that influences those around them. And the final is maybe the way you carry yourself, your clothing and your style. I mean, people who are charismatic are usually very careful about their personal appearance. They usually select clothing in a style becoming to their personality, physique, complexion, etc. These are the top 5 ways how you can project your personal magnetism to your clients. Now, you might be wondering how a person can become the king or the queen of his industry using this particular mystery of sex transmutation. Well, I've done sales training programs. I've attended many sales training programs and all are good. Okay, the trainer is good, the coach is good, the programs are good. But unfortunately, nobody talks about this particular aspect of sexual transmutation. And it's a very, very key concept how you can become the king or queen of your industry. So let me just connect all the dots together so that I can give you this value that if you get this particular concept of the mystery of sex transmutation, you can literally skyrocket your skills. You can really go and reach to the top level of your organization, whatever industry you are in, whatever product which you are selling, whatever service which you are selling, doesn't matter at all. So understand this. Sales, super sales to happen, that's an effect. The cause is your enthusiasm being transferred, and we know that. Most of the ordinary sales programs teach you that sales is nothing but transferring your enthusiasm from the salesperson to the client. We know that. Now, what is the cause of the cause? The cause behind your enthusiasm is your personal magnetism. How to get that enthusiasm? See, enthusiasm is nothing but faith in action. And when that emotional impact is created to your target participants, to your target audience, to your client, to your potential client, that's where the super sales starts to happen. Every great orator, every great public speaker, every great preacher, every great lawyer, maybe you talk of Martin Luther King, you talk of Mahatma Gandhi, you talk of John F. Kennedy, you talk of Barack Obama, you talk of Narendra Modi, you talk of any great public speaker, orator, lawyer. All of them have got this particular habit of reaching and tapping that target audience by using this power of emotions. Now we know that. Now, how to use this? Well, I'll give you a tip. So see, once you understand this, your super sales is not going to be a fluke. It's not going to be by luck or by chance. It's not just going to be a one-off affair. It is going to be a regular phenomena, because with understanding, when you understand and you practice, and when you experience, when you experiment by using this mystery of sex transmutation, you can really get consistently high record sales. So when you mix enthusiasm and determination, having the willpower of sex transmutation, of course you're going to get super sales, but at the back of it is your sexual drive. When you use sex transmutation, when you get this particular concept of understanding how do I transmute that particular energy by having that high drive, with that awareness, you are going to get skyrocket sales consistently, ever, all the time, every time, with awareness and understanding. You see, there's a difference between enthusiasm and excitement. Most of the sales training programs focus on excitement, where you are jumping on the chair and there's a sales rally, there's a pepped up talk, and people are like really excited. Not with excitement, enthusiasm. Transfer of excitement won't guarantee sales. Transfer of enthusiasm will guarantee sales. And with that enthusiasm, if you are transmuting your sexual desire with understanding, with awareness, you get that rocket sales, you get that record sales. You are on the top-notch level because you have understood, we have unlocked the mystery of sex transmutation. Well, that's what we do in our programs with 10 mental stimulants, with that 10 mind stimulants. With understand, and sex is the highest mind stimulant. And when you understand all these 10 mind stimulants, you are becoming a genius in your industry. Doesn't matter which industry you're in. So that's what we do in our programs. If you want to unlock this mystery of sex transmutation, there is a link below. It is an exclusive lessons where you can actually get a one-to-one coaching call with me also aligned, because this is a topic which requires personalized attention. So if you are interested to take up this program, one program which can skyrocket your sales, you can click on the link below and unlock this mystery of sex transmutation. People hardly understand. Forget about coaching on this particular principles. People hardly understand this particular concept of the mystery of sex transmutation. Before going, if you have liked my video, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and type out MST in the comment box, which stands for Mystery Sex Transmutation. Just type MST in the comment box, please, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.